Hi there, hi. Everyone, welcome Today, in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, May the 16th, 2023. We have here one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. And in this daily newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars. This one has 25 printed digits. Should be a Sudoku with 3 stars. Then we have a Sudoku with 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiwa in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve tonight. Yes, tonight. But first I will solve this medium Sudoku. And what's the news of today? Well, yeah, it's soccer news because this last Sunday, Feyenoord is champion, national champion of the Netherlands. Yes, Feyenoord, the city Rotterdam. Yeah, national champion soccer. All right. Let me start with this one, the Sudoku with the medium Sudoku with 28 printed digits. 28 printed digits. That means it's a 1 star. Yeah, 1 star puzzle. Actually, it's easier than a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Yeah, maybe 14, 15. And this one is number 6442. Yeah, 28 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. 2.5 minutes already passed. Alright. Let me see which number can I pick. How about 4 missing numbers in this row? One of the missing number is a 7 in this row. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or there in this row, here or there. We see another 7 in this column, middle column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright, 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here, 7 in that row, so no 7 is the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in the third row could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4, alright. Okay. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 2 in this column? The 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers a 1 and a 7. We have a 1 and a 7 in the third column, so no 1 and 7 in these two boxes. The 1 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. So what are the other two numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. All right, 1 and a 7. Okay. Then. Let me see. 8. Alright. 9. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9. Oh, wait. 2 of those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 5 and a 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in this big square, so no 5 and a 9 in these two boxes. The 5 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair in this row. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers are left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. 1 and 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Let me mark those two boxes again. Alright. Then. Let me see. 53. We have a 9 in this row. The 9 in the last row. So the row between. The only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. 9. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So third column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then. 7. About 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 1, 2, 5. Okay. 1, 5, 6. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And look, we have 5 and a 6 in this column. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. 5 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row. Number 1. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. Then. Let me see. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 and 8. We have 8 now in this column. So no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. Alright. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 now in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number, I believe the 7. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. Yeah, the 7 is missing. Alright. So we have a 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, no, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, okay. Alright, then we have a 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3, 3, okay, cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. This 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Well, I need to wait for the 1 and the 2. Need more information, insufficient information here. Also 1 and the 2. And 1, 2, and the 5 is missing here. 5, 5. Okay, need to wait. Wait. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. 1 of the missing number in the middle column is the number 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 in the middle column could be here, could be there. Well, we see another 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. Then 2 and 3, yeah, 2 missing numbers then in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3, 2 missing numbers, shall we? 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers. Oh, wait. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. The 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 1 goes there. Fine. No 2 numbers in this big square. For the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes. Is this really a medium? Is the question. Well, this should be an easy one, yeah. Not a medium. Anyway, we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Yeah, we will meet again in the evening. In the evening, I will solve the additional, not all the puzzles, but 4 of them I will solve in evening. Until then, bye bye for now.